Okay, so this product here is the rubber squeegee tool. Comes in a 35 and it also comes in a 32. This tool is for wet and dry vacuums only. Sucking up water, you've had a flood, this will do the trick. It's got your rubber along there, it's got that big suction cup, and it will just glide over and suck up all the water. If you've had a flood, this is your tool. But like I said, it's only for a wet and dry vacuum. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.